Hello, you beautiful 99ers. I hope you're having a wonderful day so far. If you are new to my channel, welcome. I am Sway to the 99, and I typically post videos on 99-cent only store walkthroughs and hauls, Dollar Tree store walkthroughs and hauls, budget meals where I show you guys how to make delicious meals using items that I found at those stores, as well as Daiso store walkthroughs and hauls. Well, those technically once things get back to normal. So in today's video, we're in the kitchen whipping up a very delicious meal. I'm going to be making some Chilaquiles, which is a Mexican breakfast dish, and I'm perfect timing because I am starving. So with that, let's get started. And as a quick reminder, if you are new or if you already subscribed, definitely make sure you hit the bell notification button. That will definitely let you know when I'm posting videos, because I know many of you are saying that you're not getting notified. So that should definitely fix the problem. So with that, let's get started. And this is a very simple recipe, easy to do at home, and it's definitely one of my favorite things to make when I have extra time. So of course you do need some eggs. I've never tried these before, these black beans with diced jalapenos. So I decided to give those a try. And of course you are going to need your salsas, which will make it absolutely delicious. I do have some feta cheese left, and yes, I did find this at the 99-cent only store. And you know what's funny thing is, I've seen this at Target for $6. I could not believe it. And of course, we do need some avocado to make, I'm not going to make a full guac because I'm not going to add a lot of the ingredients, but just a little mashed up avocado with some lime juice. And of course, we need our tortillas as well. I'm only going to use 2 today, so again, you'll see how easy this is to make, and it is so delicious. And as a quick side note, yesterday I was making some banana bread, and this is what is left over. Yeah, I think it was really popular. Thankfully I was able to get a few bites before someone else devoured the rest. But anyway, I do post on my Instagram as well. So if you don't already follow me, definitely check me out there at Sway to the 99. So anyway, here are all the ingredients we'll be using for today's video. So with that, let's get chopping, cooking, and all that fun stuff. So let's start off with the easy stuff, which is the avocado. There we go. It's always ta-da! I'm always wondering what it will look like, because sometimes when you get avocados at the 99-cent only store, they might surprise you. But these came out perfect. You guys can see right there. And I'm gonna throw in a little bit of onion, a little bit of garlic and black pepper. Ooh. You guys know how much I love my garlic, so there's no such thing as too much, at least for me. There we go. Now to get the avocado in. Yummy. And I hope you're all having a wonderful day, gearing up for a weekend. If you are watching this on Friday, happy Friday. If you're watching this at any other time, I hope your day is going well. And if you have any suggestions or ideas of videos you'd like me to make, please comment down below. And just one quick thing, if you guys are new, I am vegetarian, so all of my meals that you'll see don't include any type of meat. But I can always substitute the meat for anything else. So if you guys have some ideas, please do comment down below. And the last cooking video that I did actually was a really fun one, which was the Disney Dole Whip, and I absolutely loved it. So if you guys are into Dole Whip or Disney, definitely check that video out. I will link that down below so you guys can check it out and try it for yourself. All right, I'm just gonna continue mashing this up, and I will bring you guys right back. So this is a several step, well actually this is a 2-step process. So what we need to first do is for the actual chilaquiles is we got to get our frying pan ready. So we're going to put tortillas here, and then we're going to put to fry them up a little bit, and then here we're going to put our sauce, which is where we're going to be dipping our tortillas and also cooking our eggs, and then obviously transferring it onto our plate. So first thing we want to do is get our, now that our pans are nice and warm, get these coated and the items heated up. There we go. You guys will see it's super easy and seriously so delicious, so delicious. So all right, I'm just gonna make sure the whole pan is nice and coated so we can get our tortillas in here, and then our enchilada sauce in here, as well as our eggs once they are ready to go. And lastly, over there I will be putting in my black beans, which I will be doing in a moment. Let's get our beans in. And of course, got to sprinkle on a little bit of garlic. You know, you got to season your food. That's what makes it special. And I think our frying pans are ready, so we can get tortillas in here and get those going. All right, get that nice and coated, and you don't want to overdo it. You literally just want to heat it up and flip it over and then transfer onto the next. And flip it over. There we go. And now to get our salsa in here. There we go. Our beans are going. Things are moving. We're making progress, and we're getting closer to doing our taste test. Just gonna flip it one more time just to make sure that this side got nice and cooked. If it would come on, cooperate with me. There we go. Alrighty, so now this one is ready to go into the other one. There we go. Let's get the other tortilla in here. And I know many of you will probably be commenting about me using a fork in my frying pan. So I'm just gonna switch things up. And again, you just wanna get it nice and coated. You wanna make sure you get the tortilla soaks in all of those juices. There we go. Perfect. Just gonna actually let it sit there for a minute while the other one cooks. So once this one is ready, I will then take this one out. And then actually I'm gonna flip it over now. There we go. And this one is for sure ready on this side. There we go, perfect. Yes, I am using the same spatula to mix you know, stir up the beans. You don't want to use, you know, just trying to use up less utensils. Perfect. All right, this one is ready to go. Ooh. This one is ready to go into, oh, never mind, it fell apart. All right, I'm gonna have to throw this one out or move it to the side and start and do another one. Do a fresh one. No worries. Just showing you guys really, nothing is fully ever perfect, but that is totally okay because that is how you learn. On my channel, I try not to, I try to keep it as honest as possible, especially when it comes to cooking. I don't claim to be the top chef. All right, so we are gonna need a little bit more sauce because the other one really soaked up a lot, which is good, which is what we want. But we don't want it to fall apart on us. All right. Let's get this one in here, get it nice and coated, and then throw in a new tortilla into the mix so we can make sure we have a nice even to a nice set. All right, this one I'm just gonna flip over. I'm not gonna let it stay for too long because I think that's what happened with the first one. I think I let it soak in for a little too long and that's when it started to fall apart on me. All right, so the beans I'm gonna put on low because they're pretty much ready. Okay, there we go. Perfect. All right, so we have our first tortilla. So we gotta move quickly on these because as you saw, you know, the tortillas are fragile, so you wanna make sure you just, you know, cook them as quickly as possible. There we go. All right, and let's get this one into the sauce. Get it nice and saucy. Perfect. And again, you want to be very careful with the tortillas because they sometimes tend to fall apart if you let them stay in for too long. Okay, this one is definitely ready to go. All right, let's get that one in there. Perfect. So we have enough sauce in here for our, let's turn this one off. We have enough sauce in here for our eggs. All right, guys, so I forgot to hit record on the camera. So I did just throw in the first egg. So I'm just gonna let it cook for probably another, 30 seconds or so, just to make sure that it gets nice and cooked. The beans are pretty much ready to go. Nothing too crazy there. I literally just poured in a little bit of garlic and black pepper just to give it a little bit of flavor. And this one is starting to bubble up, which is perfect. This is exactly what we want. So I'm just gonna let it sit for another probably a couple of seconds and then bring it onto the egg so we can continue on with the meal. Egg. There we go. Again, you wanna just let it sit there for probably about a minute or so, make sure that it gets nice and cooked, and then transfer it onto the plate. One thing I did forget to do is add just a little bit of onion into the mix in here. I will do that now. It's never too late. And then I'm actually going to cover it with the other pan to make sure that it cooks that the actual yolk cooks as well. But again, you want to leave it just a little runny to make sure that you get that nice. At least for me, I like that just to give it a nice, taste to it. And then we'll transfer it onto our plate. All right, this egg is ready to be transferred over. Let's get this bad boy out of here and into our tortilla. Ooh. Perfect. You guys bring it over. So I did transfer them over and it didn't come out as perfect as I had hoped for. But like I said, I like to keep things 100% with you guys. So, oh, sorry about that. We pour in our little bit of black beans. Ooh, there we go. And then let me get the guac and then do the final touches. Next, we're gonna pour in our avocado or a little bit of, I guess, guac. If we wanna call it guac. But just a little sprinkle of onion. You can never have too much. There we go. I am gonna add a little bit of the salsa, Mexican salsa. This one is mild. I'm not a big, huge spicy fan, so I like to keep my things a little mild. And again, just pouring over a little bit. Not going too crazy. Here we go. Ooh, starting to look good, you guys. And I will adjust it a little bit so you guys will see in a moment the final product. But trust me, it smells so delicious. You want to evenly spread the sauce out. Then sprinkle on a little cheese on your beans or even avocado for a taste. And here is the final product, you guys. It may not look perfect, but it actually came out pretty good. And trust me, this is definitely one of my favorite dishes. And as you guys saw, it's really easy to make. So I hope you guys try this one at home. So I'm gonna do a quick taste test with you guys and let you know what I think, and then we can wrap up the video. All right, so for the moment of truth, what do I think? What does it taste like? Is it worth it? Should you try it? And let me give it a quick taste test and see what I think. I'm gonna try to get a little bit of everything. My mouth is already salivating, probably because I'm starving, but also because it smells good. I love the combination of the enchilada sauce and the Mexican salsa. It's a really nice, they complement each other very well. I'm gonna get a little bit of the yolk. I'm gonna try the guac, the semi-guac. Perfect. And I love adding a little bit of feta into the avocado just to top it off. It just gives it a very unexpected flavor, which is amazing. And for the jalapeno black beans, they're really good. A little spicy for my taste, woo! But overall, delicious. So I'm gonna try. I am gonna include obviously some chips to give it that very familiar Mexican food taste feel to it. So give that one a try. I really hope you guys try this one at home. As you saw, it's really easy to make, very simple, budget friendly, and if you are a meat eater, you can certainly throw in some chicken on the side or steak, whatever you prefer. Excuse me. So yeah, that is my video for this week. And as a reminder, I am going to be doing my 99-cent only store walkthrough this weekend, so probably on Sunday I will be posting that video. Excuse me, it's so delicious. So anyway, thank you so much for watching. If you're not yet subscribed, please do hit the subscribe button and bell notification so you get notified anytime I post a video. So I hope you have a wonderful day. Have a great day, have a great evening, and as always, don't forget to do the 99.